Hello everyone. Welcome to the knowledge packed learning experience where we put back the curtain on one of the most important technologies of our time. We talk about the cloud constantly, but today we are moving beyond the buzzword like cloud computing is there. So what it actually is looking like in industries and what is its reality that we are gonna understand in the today's video. Think of that your favorite apps are there. Where do those photos go or where do those selfies you take to backup of them goes? How does that movie stream instantly? It's not the magic. It's the global network of powerful servers working together, right? In this activity, we are exploring what cloud computing is, the major players running the show, and how it's fundamentally changing the way entire industry operates. So, its core, like its core is there. So, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like storage, software, and the data processing over the internet. The reality of the cloud computing is that it's the rental mode. Okay. Instead of a company buying, housing, and maintaining its own massive computer servers, what they are doing, the data centers, they actually simply rents that power from someone else. So what they are doing, what a company actually do in the major cases, they don't just go buy the server related things, whatever the hardwares are there, whatever the cable lines are there. They don't just buy and create their own server because it is too hectic and it is too complex to maintain that server also. Therefore, they use this cloud computing to rent the power of the server that the company is offering to them. So it's exactly like your utility bill. Like you don't buy a uh, power plant to turn on a light. Like you have the light in your room, right? So do you actually have that light power plant which is powering your light? No. What you are having? You are accessing the municipal electricity, right? Like whatever the Mahavitaran or whatever the electricity you are using. So you are taking this power from them. So what you do, you plug into the grid and only pay for what you use to them. Okay. Whether you are storing photos or streaming a show, you are accessing a massive shared infrastructure that is managed by experts. You don't have to manage it at your own space. Like whatever, like you are taking your selfies and storing its backup. So you are not getting into the hardware things. You are just renting that particular power for your purpose, and you are paying for that. In the professional world, we categorize the cloud computing into the three main layers. We often call them as a server models. So let's see. So first is IaaS, IaaS, that is, or the infrastructure as a service. This is the foundation. It led you to rent the raw computing bones, like the server and the storage. In reality, this is a perfect for companies that needs total control and the ability to scale resources up or down instantly. Like the Amazon Web Services or AWS, we called it as. It is the industry giant in this case. And then the next is PaaS, or we can call it as the platform as a service. Think of this as a fully equipped kitchen where all the applications are ready and you just bring your recipe and which is your code, nothing but it. It allows the developers to build and launch app without worrying about underlying tech. Google App Engine is the primer example for that. So the Google App Engine is giving you this power or for platform as a service. So it gives you that power in this case. So finally, the SaaS is there that we call as a software as a service. This is the version we use every day. There are different apps you access directly through your browser or phone. Companies handle all the tech stuff and you just enjoy the service. Think of like Google or Google Drive is there, Gmail or WhatsApp, like these apps are there. So these apps you are using are actually a software as a service. So let's see the industry impact on in two industries. First is education and second one is entertainment. How this cloud computing has the great impact on these two industries. So how it is impacting industries in the real world? Let's look at the education. Before the cloud, we were limited to physical classroom and heavy textbooks. Are you agree with it? Right. So before the cloud computing coming into the frame, we was carrying a big bag or big sack consisting of 400 pages notebook or 400 pages books. That's this much weight it is carrying. Like you are carrying tens of this kind of notebooks with you, right? So we were limited to we were having some physical limitations. Like everyone is not similar that he can carry the 10, 12 notebooks at once of this much weight, right? This much weight. So through the platforms like Zooms. But today, what is happening? Today the cloud computing has made the learning borderless. Like we are not limited to carry this the big bunch of books now. So through the platforms like Zoom, classes happens live on the internet. So like you are familiar with the that's live classes concept, right? So connecting the students and teacher from anywhere. So it is doing this kind of thing. So tools like Google Docs is there, allows for real-time collaboration. While the companies like Byju's use the clouds to deliver the interactive courses to millions of students simultaneously. Like most of you have heard about the and also has participated in the many online courses like for Python is there, for generative AI courses there, machine learning, data science. There are so many and number of courses available online where you can interact with these courses documents, interact with these sessions, and you can complete your courses. This makes the education industry a boundless uh, thing. So this is the impact of cloud computing and the education industry. Now let's look at our favorite industry, that is entertainment. Like we have moved from the physical DVDs into the instant streaming. So you all have somewhere heard that the DVDs are now not so very common in nowadays, or they are like now are at the point of extinction. So platforms like Netflix and Spotify use these cloud or algorithms to analyze your preferences and suggest you the next favorite show or song. So like this is an advantage of the cloud computing in the most simple ways. Like you go to Netflix or Spotify, you watch some movie or heard some song and played some song, and then you get another suggestion that as you have played this song or as you have watched this show, movie or drama, then you might also like this kind of thing, right? They gives you the suggestion. So it helps you to get a better whatever service we call that. So in the gaming world, the services like Microsoft xCloud is there are streaming high quality games directly to your devices. So before the cloud computing, what happening for whatever playing this high end games, so like high quality games like there is a GTA 5, GTA 6, whatever these things we call. So this kind of heavy softwares needs the heavy hardware to run on it. So we required this was the limitation before the cloud computing, but now the Google's or the Microsoft's X Cloud is now giving us ability to stream the high quality games directly to your devices, eliminating the need of expensive hardware, right? This is the only possible because heavy lifting is being done by the massive cloud services miles away from your home. So let's conclude our today's video. From the way we learn to to the way we relax. The cloud computing is invisible engine of the modern world. It's driven by the major players like AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and the Google Cloud. And it is shifted the industry from owning technology to accessing the technology without having it in your hands physically, right? The reality that the cloud isn't just trend, it's the new standard. So next time you log into any app, remember that you are tapping into one of the most powerful infrastructures and ever built in today's time. So thank you for joining this video. And if you feel that this content was interesting, and then feel free to like my video and try to subscribe my channel for more interesting tech insights. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.